Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify LinkedIn Sales Navigator AI workflows for outreach personalization, full guide step by step clearly. To verify LinkedIn Sales Navigator AI workflows for outreach personalization, start by logging into your LinkedIn Sales Navigator account. Navigate to your workflows section in the dashboard. Identify the specific workflow you want to verify for outreach personalization. Review the criteria set for the workflow to ensure they align with your outreach goals. Check the target audience settings to confirm you're reaching the right prospects. Examine the data sources integrated into the workflow. Ensure they are updated and relevant for effective outreach. Next, validate the AI-generated recommendations by cross-referencing with actual data points. Look for trends or patterns that support the AI's suggestions. Test the personalization elements within the workflow. Send a few test messages to a small sample of your target audience. Monitor the response rates to gauge effectiveness. Adjust your workflow based on the feedback received from these initial tests. Ensure the messaging tone matches your brand's voice and resonates with your audience. Continuously iterate on your workflows based on performance data. Regularly review and update your strategies in line with any changes in the LinkedIn platform or your outreach goals. Document your findings and adjustments for future reference. By following these steps, you ensure that your outreach efforts are personalized and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.